Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Ford Everest, stock number 6271. This ran from the 6th 2018 to the 5th 2022. It has a UA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the UA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front aftermarket mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,